It's my job to determine which story is more credible and consistent with a reasonably prudent person's history of life. That's why they keep me here. I'm as old as Methuselah. This is not a question of law. If it was a question of law, it would be easy. Your dog bit her dog. The question is, whose dog? She bit her dog. Is that what
No,
Byrd bit her
bite.
dog. Byrd bit her dog. Her dog got bitten on the way home.
You don't see a bite in
Just
her
a
picture.
second. I read the vet reports. Listen
There was a cut this big.
You're an idiot.
I cleaned it with hydrogen peroxide.
What graduate school are you in? I just want to know what graduate school you're in.
Gosh.
It's ridiculous. Your story is ridiculous.